Hey, what's up you guys? Brandasauresrex here, coming at you with another unboxing video. So today we are going to be unboxing the Sci-Fi Revoltech series number 32 Legion figure. So, this is one of those figures that was on my list of things that I needed to get. So I had to jump on it when I found out that one of these online stores had it. I believe it was The Jungle. If you want a link to their website, I'll leave it down below. So back to this. It was on a super sale for some odd reason. Don't really know why, but it was on sale. So I decided to scoop it up, because I've seen this figure go from anywhere between $200 to $130, and I know the original price of this figure was about $30. So when it was on a super sale for like 70 bucks, I was like, I have to buy it. So that's why it's here now. So just to give you a quick 360 of the box, here's the front, here's the side, very cool. Here's the other side. I like this a lot. And here is the back. Very cool as well. All the information that you would need about Legion right there. And then flipping it over to the front. This is the one thing I like about the Revoltech boxes. Excuse me. That you can open it up and you can see the figure you're getting. And also get some cool information if you speak the language. Unfortunately, I don't. So I get cool pictures though. So yeah, so there it is. So I'm going to painstakingly open this on camera, which is like the scariest thing to do. So to be completely honest with you guys, this figure looks really cool and comes with a great amount of accessories. Whether it's the mini camera or the, I believe it's 6 of the other Legion alien thingies. I forgot what they're referred to as in the movie. But this figure is pretty cool. I have minor gripes. I have minor things that I am concerned about, and some other stuff that maybe I just don't like altogether. So that will be all in the review for this figure, and not right now. I'm not going to give all the goodies away at once, because I want to collect my thoughts before I put them out there, if that makes any sense. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video as always, and I'll see you guys next time with a review for this lady? Yeah, for this chick. So yes, I'll see you guys next time. So peace out.
Crispy.